Honey soy pork tacos. First, to make the pickled cabbage, combine the cabbage, apple and onion in a heat-proof bowl. Next, place the vinegar and sugar in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir until the sugar dissolves and then bring to the boil. Pour the hot pickling liquid over the cabbage mixture and set aside to cool. For the honey soy pork, arrange the pork in the pan so it's in a single layer. Cook, turning for 3 to 4 minutes or until browned all over. Carefully drain the excess fat from the pan and reduce the heat to medium-low. Now add the infusion paste and the finishing sauce from the stir-fry packet. Cook, stirring, for 1 to 2 minutes. You want the pork to be well coated. Meanwhile, heat a char grill pan over high heat. Cook the tortillas turning for 1 to 2 minutes or until lightly charred. Drain the pickled cabbage and discard the pickling liquid. Top the tortillas with the honey soy pork and pickled cabbage. Add coriander and serve with a squeeze of lime.